How much does a one-page website cost? Actually, there is a difference between multi-page website and one-page website development cost. One-page website is better than multiple page website because we are focusing a single purpose. We are promote our content, selected content in a single page to our visitors. That's the purpose of one-page website. We are highly targeted. We promote a highly targeted page to our visitors. There is 5 different methods we can create our one-page website. In this video, we will see those popular methods people are using to create that one-page website. The first one, using WordPress and hosting. WordPress is the best platform to create our website. But WordPress is not a self-hosted. We need a hosting account. A website is a combination of domain name and a website files. Domain name we register from any registrar like godaddy.com, register.com, like that. Hosting account we are using to store our web files in our web server. So we need to buy the hosting space from the hosting companies. If you prefer WordPress, you need a hosting account. WordPress is a open source software, but we need to pay for hosting package. If you want to know some good hosting companies, you just see the video description I gave there. The second one, the second option, you can use Wix. Wix is a website builder. You can create a powerful website. It may be a single page or multiple page. You can use Wix. Wix is a page builder. It has a drag and drop feature, help you to create your web content easily. By using Wix, you can even create your online store also. You can create any type of website by using Wix. The next option is managed web host. The first one we see about WordPress and hosting. That's a shared hosting or virtual private server or anything. But a WP engine is a managed WordPress hosting. Managed WordPress hosting inbuilt with all the necessary features. You don't need to worry about the speed optimization, important plugins, hacking issues, website loading time, everything managed by the WP engine. You just create your website only. They deal all the problems: server, bandwidth, storage, CDN. That's why a lot of people are using managed web host. In managed web host, WP engine have a lot of advantages and they are giving the more flexibility to their users. They are giving a full support, include live calling also. If you prefer managed web host, particularly managed WordPress host, WP Engine is a number one. You can consider that. The next option I suggest you can use ClickFunnels. Actually, ClickFunnels is not a website builder. It's a sales funnel creator tool. Everything organized in simple dashboard. ClickFunnels also drag and drop feature. We can create a beautiful sales funnels in few minutes. You don't need to worry about the coding or programming knowledge to use ClickFunnels. Including shopping cart also we can use in ClickFunnels. Lot of big companies, $1 million sales companies also using ClickFunnels. They include all the important sales tools in ClickFunnels. For example, email list, upsells, downsells, product delivery. Everything we can create in ClickFunnels. It may be a webinar registration or membership site or a product sales or a particular service sales. You can create your one-page website easily in ClickFunnels. The last option, I suggest you to use instapage.com. Instapage is a landing page builder. If you want to create a particular single page, Instapage is the best one for you. You can easily create. Instapage is also an advanced landing page platform. It's a faster and secure and highly convertible layouts they have. I gave all the links. You can sign up with a trial period. Just check the description box. Just see the description below the video. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video. Thank you very much. Bye.